Hey guys, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this session, we will discuss what is reliability testing. So why we do and this testing will come inside this performance testing. So we will have a separate session of what is performance testing, right? What is functional? Like it will come inside this non-functional. Okay, inside this non-functional, we having the many types of the testing. Okay, so we will explore in the coming session as well, but we can focus on the reliability testing. Why we do this testing now? We have a some confident in our application. Your application is running like one period of the time. We can test and we can observe how our application behaves, right? So see, I can give you some simple example. So just I have launched my website, like I have launched my some courses website. Okay. So or I can say simple e-commerce, right? So how the traffics we can have some observation in this type of the testing. Okay, so we have a like uh, con observation about that how your application behave likes for the long time period. Okay, so we will explore this. So in this type of the testing, one will perform the application continuously for a long period of time in order to check a stability of the application. So in the long period of the time, your application is stable or not. Okay, reliability testing is a type of testing to verify software is capable of performing the failure-free operation for a specified period of a time and a specified environment. Like we have a some period of the time we have fixed over there, like 24 hours, how the application behaves. If uh, our application will deploy in the user environment, how our application is stable and all, right? So reliability means holding the same. In the other word, the reliable means something is dependable and that will give the same outcome every time. Okay, reliability testing is a software assured that the product is fault free and reliable for in intended purpose. So this is the like same thing I have mentioned, and you can define in your own way, but we have to understand the concept. Okay. Like I have given one example, the probability that the PC in a store up and running for 8 hours without crashing is 90%. This is referred as reliability testing. So your system is running like 8 hours. Like we don't have any crashing and all, right? So this testing we can do in the hardware product as well, right? So how your system behaves like that. So basically testing will do in the hardware and software as well, right? So let's move in the another slide. Why we do this? So I already you got the answer why we do this, because your application is stable for long period of the time when the users are using. The objective behind the performance reliability testings are to find the structure of repeating failures. Sometimes what happen, when you are running the application, we are getting some error. Sometimes we are not getting that error. So right, so these repeating failures we will observe over there. Or we have a like a 100 user, or if you having the 500 user in this time your application is bit slow. So this all the observation we can do here to find the number of failure occurring in the a specified amount of time, to discover the root cause of the failure, to conduct performance testing of various model of software application after fixing the defect. Okay, so this all will come your non-functional testing. We have a types of reliability testing. So here software reliability testing include the feature testing. So here what type of the testing we can do? We can do feature testing, we can do load testing, and we can do regression testing. What is the feature testing? each operation in the software is executed at least once. So whatever the operation you have in your software, it must be executed at once. Interaction between the two operation is reduced. Each operation have to check for its the proper execution. This is the feature testing. Load testing means like we can also explore in the coming session. We have a separate session for what is load testing and all. Okay, so name itself load, right? So we have some capacity of the users, like our application will, if you have a 1 lakh users, our application will run smoothly. If you have a 5 lakh users, so you have some limited thing, like you have some a peak point of your load of your application. So this all the types of the testing uh, will do in load testing. So usually the software will perform better at the beginning of process, and after that it will start degrading. So load testing is conducted to check the performance of software under the maximum load. So here we can also check if you have a more than the user, whatever your peak point is there, how the software will behaves like that, how your software is performing. So this all the test, this all the thing we will check in the load testing, but we have a separate session for that. We will discuss regression testing. We having the separate session for regression testing. Just I will give you the example of regression testing. So whatever existing changes and whatever the new changes we have done, we have to test each and everything. That is called regression testing. So regression testing is mainly used to check whether any new bug have to introduce because of fixing of the previous bugs. Regression testing is conducted after every change or updating the software features and their functionality. So we will explore this guys regression testing. So now you can understand what is the regression testing. So like something you are getting some defect. We have a defect in the application. So we can raise the defect and we can assign to the developer. Developer has done fixes. He had done fixes. So we have to test whatever the fix he has done. We have to test all the scenario, and we have to test whatever the existing features we have. It should not impact on the application. This is called your regression testing. Okay, but we will discuss we having the other session for regression testing. Okay, so now one more testing is there, one more types of the testing, that is called retesting. Name itself retesting. So I can give you simple example. You are testing, or you have some existing defect, then you have tested. Developer has fixed the defect, and again it will come for the QA. I have tested it. Again, what happened while testing? Again, I'm getting some issue. Then we can give the proper screenshot, and again we can assign to the developer. Again, they will open this. Again, they will fix it. Again, it will come to us. Again, we can retest. So this is called your regression testing. Until unless we can test our application defect will be must be fixed over there. So that is called retesting. So it is a type of testing in which one will perform testing on the same functionality again and again with multiple set of data in order to come to conscious whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so retesting is a process to check the specified test case that are found with bug in the single execution, and generally tester find this bug while testing the software application and assign to the developer to fix it. I have given the same example, right? Then the developer will fix the bugs and assign it to back to the tester for verification, and this continuous process is called retesting until unless our defects must be fixed. We don't have any issue, then this process will go until it should be a defect free. Okay, so that's all in this session guys. If you are new in the channel, hope you already know about of my channel name. If you don't know, let me show you. My channel name is Ingenious TechHub. Okay, so you can go in this channel. Okay, you will not get directly here. Okay, so you can just go here. I'll go in my home. This is my not home. One second. Okay, guys, one second. Okay, so once again, I'll go here. Here I'll go. Okay, here you can type Ingenious TechHub. We will type Ingenious TechHub. Can just go. Till now, I have uploaded around. This is the 15th session. Okay, around I have uploaded this training session. So we having the 14, 15. This one is the 15th session. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more video notification. Because in the coming days, I'm planning to upload many video in the coming days. Okay, so please subscribe and press bell icon. Many of them you guys are trying to learn automation testing, right? But you are beginner, you are struggling to learn automation testing. So I have launched a very beautiful course. If you want to learn automation testing, you will get this all the links in the description. So we have a Java Selenium, and from here you will learn from very basics. If you never did the coding, right? But this course will have an interest to write the code. Okay, I have started from very basics. What is class keyword? How the Java code will work from the starting. Okay, so just go through that, and these are preview video you have, means this is the demo video. You can go through that and you can just watch once. Okay, if you feel this is profitable for you, just you can click on this buy option. You will get s- 50% discount, guys. So this course is only for 749. Okay, if might we will get this coupon is expired, you can reach out to me. I will make you the coupon for you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe, please support my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.